Hello, and congratulations. Congratulations, because by finding this website, you are a few steps closer to finally finding a way to heal your prostate in a natural manner without any surgical intervention. What do I mean by that? First off, let me introduce myself. My name is Ron Bazar, and I struggled for years with prostate problems. Just like you, I've tried everything I could think of to cure my prostate problems and live a normal life. And I can happily say that in the end, I walked away from prostate surgery. Trust me, I had so many prostate problems and symptoms I couldn't even pee. If you think that my whole life was a mess, you are absolutely right. My prostate was swelling more and more with each passing day, and I feared the worst, as all the doctors had to say was the word surgery. I'm guessing you're in the same hotspot as I was back then. It's true that medicine is getting more and more advanced with each passing day, but let's be honest here. We can't afford to wait for a non-surgical solution to our problems. Plus, the treatments are awful. And it's in times like these when you have to take problems into your own hands. That is exactly what I've done. Over the years, I've tried everything I could think of to heal my prostate. I spent a fortune testing what worked and what didn't. I read some more about the prostate and all its related problems. I kept all that information and decided to put it into a book, as none of the books I read were comprehensive enough. Also, their advice just did not work when followed. I guess you know the feeling, right? So what exactly did I do next? I've put all that I have learned to good use and wrote a guide on how to get rid of prostate problems. And it worked. Within days, I started feeling better, healthier, and I felt the prostate slowly returning to normal. Can you imagine how relieved I felt when I saw that my problems were going away? Don't worry, I want you to feel the same thing as I did. I want you to no longer feel the pain, the sexual embarrassment, or the fear that comes with prostate problems. If conventional medical treatments did not have such devastating side effects of incontinence, impotence, and many others, I would have lined up for treatment. But I did not want to live with those risks of serious side effects, or the real possibility of having to redo an operation in the future. These side effects can be far worse than the actual prostate disease you want to treat, and certainly would be life-changing. I graduated from wearing diapers at age 3, and no way will I take a chance on that now. And no sex? Yeah, that would be a real tragedy. Hey, I don't know if you know this, but doctors underestimate the direct consequences of their treatment, because for them, there is no other way. But stats say that 3 years later, 70% of men suffer from the side effects of their treatments. Those are not good odds to me or any other bright human being out there. I've used my 10 years of research and testing to see what works and what doesn't. You will save a lot of time and hassle and a lot of money by not spending on unproven books or treatments. And what exactly came out of those 10 long years of research? This website and a book called Healthy Prostate. In it, you will find safe and effective prostate remedies to treat your prostate problems. It tackles subjects that are often difficult for doctors to approach and answers questions that nobody else wants to answer. Questions like these: is the PSA test harmful for the prostate? Is a prostate biopsy test safe to take? How do you control ejaculation on command and benefit your prostate at the same time? So what would something like this cost? Well, that was a really tough question to answer for me. I mean, would you put a price on the feeling of relief and happiness because you know that your prostate problems are gone? To be honest, it's priceless. However, as I said earlier, I want everybody to feel the happiness of healing a swollen prostate and various other prostate illnesses without resorting to surgery. Download the ebook and you will receive all the info on this site plus a lot more. So what exactly are you waiting for? Take the first step on the road to your prostate's recovery. Give yourself the gift of a healthy prostate. You deserve it.